What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. On today's little episode, we got the whole new PRP smart coil adapter kit. So it comes with everything that is needed to switch the coils on the car from the old split fires, and igniter box won't be there anymore. So these will all be the R35 type of coils. And what else is there? Oh, and I got the new wiring harness for it as well, because those old wiring harnesses are super shitty. So I got the RB Coil Loom 1 only because the car is, since it's the first series GTR, but it has the last series GTR engine, so it's like a shot in the dark on if I'm getting the right one or not. So I'll figure it out as I get there. But I would think that the electrical in the car is from the 32 and the motor is from a 34, but I could be wrong, and it could be the motor and all of the electrical for the motor is all 34, but I don't know. We're going to figure it out. But I got the 32 style one, so hopefully it works, and I'll get to pulling the old coils and stuff out. Alright, we got the old coils out, and those were all brand new spark plugs, so they're all staying in there. Now, should be down to getting the coil bracket. There we go. This nifty new one. Now these coils are just held down by one screw instead of the 4 screws like the old ones are, like these. These are the old split fires, and I put an X on that one because that coil was dead. Nothing was happening. Spark plug was soaking wet and looked brand new still. So, yep, done with these ones. On to these ones. So it looks like I'm going to also have to assemble the coils too. So, because they got their custom size stocks to fit the RB. So, get to putting this on now and getting it put together, and I'll show you how it looks when it's done. Alright, full kit is installed. Looks good. No more stupid igniter box, so that's cool. Alright, now I'll just get to starting this thing up and making sure it runs good. And then I'll probably go take it out for a drive and see how she's doing. So we'll get to that next. Alright, now it's all nice and light out. I can get the video of the startup for the coils. Just pushed it out a minute ago, so see what's going on. Alright, let's hope it works. Look at that. Idling perfect. And the reason the 4-wheel drive lights and all that stuff are on is because I have it in 2-wheel drive mode right now. If I put it into 4-wheel drive mode and shut the car off and then turn it back on, it won't have 4-wheel drive lights on, but it'll always be in 4-wheel drive. So the way these cars normally work is they're rear-wheel drive until they detect slip, and then they put power to the front. But this, I can just choose whatever I want to do with it. Oil pressure's definitely good, over 100. Fuel pressure's fine. This thing's a little farther back on the exhaust pipe, so I think it just reads shitty. Or the gauge, or not the gauge, but the wire, or the O2 sensor that's in there is just bad, probably. But yeah, everything seems to be working fine. I'll probably end up taking this car out tonight, so I might get a little video or shot of the meeting spot that we go to. It's pretty tiny because we're in a tiny little town, so probably won't be too many people there, maybe just a lot of Hondas. So if you're a Honda lover, I guess you'd like it. I'm not personally, but it is what it is. But yeah, so that'll be it for right now. Oh, alright, never mind. Gauges are starting to come to life. Alright. Alright. Got her warming up. Just starting to get warm. Everything's looking okay. Exhaust on the far over there doesn't really kick on until it gets really warm. There we go. I was debating about taking the, why did I do that? Taking the 300 tonight, but I decided not to. We're going to take the GTR. Finish this video off anyways. So hopefully it makes it the whole ride out there. I'm going to be driving alone, and it's like a bucket seat, so you can't really film and drive this monster at the same time. So I'll probably just get back to you when we get out there to the meet. Alright, she made it to town. She made the voyage. People are still showing up. Got a few Hondas and stuff right now. They're the same ratio as. Bro, let me get the motor out of here. No, I need to fucking go to those chickens. Huh? I'm being straight up. I'll buy that motor off you. Chicken tendies? I got stuff one. I was gonna come right back after. The Honda game is thick out here. If you got a Honda, come out here. Try to race these dudes. We'll see what shows up later. A couple more people showed up. Got some darts, Lexus. Couple boosted Civics. Tegras. Buddy's Lexus. A few new ones coming out. And there's a couple over there parked too. But one thing that I did notice on the way out here, I still think that I am not getting spark to cylinder 6 in the very back. At low RPMs, when you give it hard throttle, you get vibration, and you got a downshift for it to smooth out. So I'm thinking that that coil pack is maybe not the issue, and it might be wiring that goes to the coil pack. So I'm gonna have to diagnose that on another day. Figure it out when we get there. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow along for more videos to come.